Hello lovely people, I welcome you to another tutorial. Today's video is an amazing one to help you protect your privacy at your workplace or even at home. So let's begin. We are going to learn how to deactivate our USB ports to prevent people from gaining an authorized access to our files or any other document without our permission. So let's begin. On our keyboard, we press the window button plus R and then type regedit and hit enter. A registry editor window will pop up. You click on yes, and then from this window we double click on this folder HKey local machine. We double click on it, and then we double click on system, and we double click on this folder current control set. We double click on it, and then we click on services. We double click, then we will look for you look for this folder and then double click on it, and you double click on start. This value data has been set to 3, so you change it to 4 and click OK. So guys, you can slot in any USB drive to test whether the port has been deactivated successfully. To reactivate it, you go through the same process and then click on start and set the value data to 3 and then click OK. Then it will be activated back again. So this is how we deactivate our USB port to prevent people from gaining an authorized access to our programs and files without our permission. So share this video with others to learn, and then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. I'm out.